so we're gonna go over 4-point alternating arms, alternating legs, and then alternating arms and legs together, which is a burden double. So we want hands and knees on a comfortable surface. We want to find a good spine position and embrace our abs slightly, okay? Wide base for arms and legs. We're gonna start just arms first. Back. Forward, controlling our spine as we go up. Next, we're going to do alternating legs. We're just going to kick our heel straight back to the wall. We don't want to go up, just back. And then we're going to combine the two, and we're going to do alternating arms and legs. Keeping that core nice and tight, driving up through our shoulder blades. And we're going to go back and forth. And usually we like people to do 10 to 20 reps. And that is the first dog.